Hey everyone, what's going on? Greg here again from Timelapse. This is a heat map time lapse for the keyword swamp cooler repair for my client. We're doing a 4 mile radius scan. We're getting really close within the Grand Junction area. We've been able to improve the page one rankings from I think 23% to now 44% via the map pack, which is leading to more high quality impressions, website clicks, phone calls, most importantly for them, bookings. And this is actually really important. The cost per click for this keyword could be about $15, just to give you guys a baseline. So I manage their Google Ads account and also their Bing ads. We only have a set budget, so we have to if we want to get more leads on a monthly basis, we have to rely on organic search. That's what we're getting via more dots flipped to green because that's a page one ranking. I'm going to go over what I'm doing for their account by demoing off TM Blast. Okay, so to start, one of the first things that I always focus on for my clients, like my HVAC clients or any other local service client, is Google reviews are important. So I always mention this too. You want to respond to your reviews simply more than simply saying thank you. Use the keyword if you can. So if they say the swamp cooler repair or replacement service that they got, you want to include that in your answer. So I'm always encouraging my clients to respond via Google reviews with the keyword. Next, what I've been pushing as well is trustindex.io. This is a third-party site that can actually aggregate your rankings from Google, Yelp, Facebook, TripAdvisor, a bunch of other sources as well. I try to get reviews on Trust Index to kind of diversify because Google at any time can remove reviews. I'm always telling my clients to get reviews also on trustindex.io. And then, of course, that can actually be picked up by third-party sites like AI services or AI overviews when they're showing swamp cooler repair or replacement. It's really important to get diversification when it comes to your reviews. Next, let me go back to my profile. One thing also that I'm really pushing for my clients is this product carousel. So not so much from a ranking factor, but I think it's more from a click-through rate opportunity. So I'll go to like my Geo SEO services page. We have one for swamp cooler repair and swamp cooler replacement. It's a visual. We have a high quality image that the team took. I'm able to put that there. It's better than using the stock image or an AI image. So I think this actually helps with click-through rate. It's a soft signal that Google uses. It's a visual that they do swamp cooler repair and swamp cooler replacement. Next, within their description, so over here, what I do is I would say 2 to 3 times a year, I will update the description based off the season. So for example, for them, they do furnace repair and AC repair and everything else like that. So when we get into the fall, I'm actually changing their description to be more specific to heating and boiler repair. And then in the spring, I'm focused more on AC repair, swamp cooler replacement. It's a soft ranking signal, but I'm trying to make it a little bit more clear to Google. This is actually what we focus on. Because obviously it doesn't matter if people are searching for furnace repair in the summer, they're probably not going to get it fixed. The demand's a lot less compared to AC repair or swamp cooler repair, where the demand is so high. Generally, HVAC companies can actually charge a bit more because of how limited their technicians are. So that the demand is far greater than the team can possibly handle. Next is updates over here. So I do this for Team Blast, but for them, what I always recommend is to share photos of the team working, the van, call out swamp cooler repair, swamp cooler replacement against a soft signal to users that you provide the service in the area. It's a visual, can help with the click-through rate, everything like that. One thing that I don't have on my profile, but I recommend this to all of my clients, especially the HVAC clients that I work with, is get a book online button. You can do that within Reserve with Google. It will actually include that big blue button onto your profile, which can then book a service like schedule maintenance, for an AC tune-up or swamp cooler repair, checkup, or anything else like that. It's huge. It helps again with the click-through rate. You can also drive more qualified leads because sometimes phone calls could be spam, they could be robocalls. Chances are, though, people who go through the booking process is a little bit more of a legit lead. So I'm always pushing that. It does cost money to get on some of these third-party platforms, but it's far worth it when you're able to get more leads and actually qualify them on a monthly basis. All right, next point I want to make is something called rich results test. So this is my last point with what I do for them, but all my clients as well. I add schema markup to the website. So I ran the test within TM Blast just to kind of show you what this looks like. Let me go to the organization over here. I have this description where I talk about SEO, PPC, GEO, SEO company. Again, I update the schema markup for my client and I use words like swamp cooler repair, swamp cooler replacement, AC repair, all that. Again, I update that about 2 to 3 times a year. So I'm going to, really call this out for Google and also for Bing to say, okay, this is exactly what my client does. Here's their description. Here's their address. Here's their hours. But again, within the schema markup, Google can actually clearly see that we specialize in this particular service, which is why if I go back into this heat map over here, you can see how in the past 2 months now, we've grown about 80+% via page one rankings because I'm doing basically all these changes. I'm updating the description, I'm doing updates, I'm doing the products, I'm doing the schema markup. We're getting reviews on Google and TrustIndex.io, and we're responding to that within the reply section to include the keyword in there. These are some of the ways I've been able to improve their page one ranking. Again, what's resulting in more high quality leads, impressions, website clicks, phone calls, and bookings. And again, this is so important because the cost per click for Google for some of these keywords like swamp cooler repair could be $15 or $20. So to get more organic clicks without paying more is obviously the goal. That's why I wanted to record this video. Anyway, thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for the next one.